and venture into the rain. Oh god, that looks terrible. Oh my god, I'm getting wet underneath my umbrella. Okay. Oh god. Go on, stay down. No, no, no. I picked the wrong umbrella for this. Oh, the wind is really strong. Ah. Oh, the water doesn't get any better. The water really does not get any better. Oh my god, I feel like I'm living in Illinois again. My phone's getting wet. Yay! Oh, the water is freezing. Oh my god. Wonder where that kid with the boogie board went. Screw it. Oh my god, it's freezing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oof. What are they doing? What? Are you pulling him? Are you pulling him?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is where you went. You went to go get your friend. This is probably the greatest thing I've ever seen. Just push it. Push it. Don't die. Oh god. It's getting worse. How deep is it over there? Oh my god, it's like up to your ankles. That is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. Just two kids on a bicycle and a boogie board, just going through the rain. That is the funniest thing I've ever probably ever seen in my life. Rain's really bad. I'm getting freezing. Alright. I'm just gonna continue on. I think I'm gonna... Should I go further down the street? I kinda wanna see how bad it is down there. Let's find out. It's cold. It's just cold. The water is just cold. It's full on cold. I'm gonna see how bad it is. There. Oh god, it's gotten worse. Why am I out here? What am I doing with my life? Should I even do this? Oh shit, no. Don't take my umbrella. No. No, do not take my umbrella. My only way of staying dry. Kind of, ish. I don't know if I'm dry or not. I'm really soaked, actually. Screw it. I'm gonna get hypothermia. I'm gonna get freezing. Friggin'. This is a terrible thing. Yo, what's up, man? Just checking out the streets. Oh my god, I can't feel my toes. Oh god. Oh god. Yo, what's up? This is not getting any better. I'm just recording this. Oh god, whatever. It's getting worse. And your rope is stuck through your bike.
Wait, go back. Try going back and see how this...
Jesus. You guys are probably the most badass people I've ever met. Alright. No! Keep down. 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 Keep down. Don't breathe. Umbrella. No! Umbrella, stay. Stay with me here. Oh, my feet. Oh, my feet are cold. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh crap. Oh, this is cold. Oh god. I want to go back, but I don't want to. At the same time, I want to go forward. I want to keep pushing through. My umbrella is leaving me. I should probably leave. I don't think I can keep up with that. Oh god, oh god. It's caught on to my shirt. Let's walk back. Oh my god! At this point, I cannot feel my feet anymore. I wish I had worn pants for this instead of shorts. Oh my gosh. I cannot feel anything in my feet. I really hope I get views up for this. This was the worst idea I've ever had in probably a very long time. I want to jump on that. But I'm not going to, because then I will fall on something in my feet. There is something in my shoe. Let's see if it's gotten any better over here. Hi! What? Oh, yeah, it is. Hey, shush, shush, shush. Anyway. Yeah, find a way across. Screw it. Ugh. That car is still stalled. No, 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 no. If you can hear this, we're recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. Oh my gosh. Oh, my phone can. I hope my phone can pick up this audio. This wind is really strong. It's like pushing down on my umbrella. Look at that. It's pushing down on it. Why am I still going? I wonder if it gets any better. Down the road. I don't think it does though. This is insane. Sure is insane. I might actually be insane for this. I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts. We could have moved the van down here. That's an orange tree. Hello. It's really bad. Yeah, you may want to move that. Yeah, we already moved our cars. Yeah. And I think a car already stalled up there somewhere. It's really deep and it's really cold. And I've been out here for about like 11 minutes now. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna move forward. Get out of your way. I need to move. No! No, my umbrella! My umbrella! Oh God! No!